can't run. My feet don't touch the ground.
This is what happened when you don't wire up the LED lights properly.
It's not my fault.
Got to teach her right, guys. All right, now what you're gonna do this time, she tried the little duck waddle, is you're gonna run alongside it and then hop on.
I need a break.
So you're gonna run alongside it to get more speed and then just hop on it. Make sure it's in second gear though.
I can't do that. You don't understand, is I'm too short.
No, you're not. If my dad can do it, you can do it.
Your dad also has way more experience in jumping bikes than
How do you get experience? By practicing. So make sure you're in second. You're just gonna run alongside it with the clutch in as fast as you can go, and then as soon as you hop on it, that's when you dump the clutch and then you go, because you'll have all that speed.
I'm not gonna be able to do this.
You got this, Lex. Just run and go as fast as you can, then hop on it and dump the clutch and go.
I'm gonna head right into those bushes.
Well, it's good YouTube content.
I can't jump on it.
Swing your leg over it. Like jump on it. Jump on it, yeah.
I can't do that while I'm running.
That was a good attempt, honestly. That's what I wanted you to do, and you did it. That's the walk of shame right there.
You.
Alright, we're going back to the waddle method. I'm gonna give her a push this time. Hopefully she'll have enough speed to get her going. For the record, I'm not doing this to be mean, but I'm just teaching skills that are necessary to have in the bike world. Leave a comment down below if you agree, like these are skills that you should know. Like what if she got caught by herself one day, decided to go out for a ride by herself, she's in the ghetto, her bike stops and it's out of battery. Like what's she gonna do? Is she going, yo homeboy, give me a push? No, you gotta give it a try yourself. We've all been there, so these are necessary life skills. Let me know when you're ready and I'll start pushing you.
All right, ready.
Go. Go for it. Yeah, we have victory. About time, right?
Yeah.
Bike looks clean though. I wonder who cleaned it.
You.
Check out that pink headlight, guys. I don't think I showed you guys that, but she put some pink vinyl over it, and it's pretty sick.
I still think if I was stuck in the hood, I might ask a homeboy to help me out.
You got it running, huh?
After 4 or 5 tries.
Should we go on a ride now?
Yes, please.
Or are you worn out?
I'm worn out, but I will go on a ride.
All right,
I need to cool off. I'm sweating.
Let's roll. We are out here right now, guys. Been a while since we've been out on the Groms. Definitely miss riding these things. It's so much fun. I'm still on the Kenda Big Blocks though, so unfortunately not too many wheelies are going to be happening today, so we'll see what we can do with the off-road action. It's so muddy out because everything was frozen and it got warmer today and it's back to a muddy mess. But we're headed to meet up with my buddy Kyler and Alex. I haven't seen them or rode with them in so long, and I definitely missed the scooter crew getting together. I might end up in this wood chipper, but it should be a fun night.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yay!
What'd we do?
10,000!
Guys, we are out here riding the Groms right now. Just pulled over to wait on Kyler. 10,000 subscribers. We did it, guys. Thank you so much.
Woo! We did it. You did it.
We made it. We're out here about to enjoy the 10,000 subscriber milestone. Having some fun on the dirt scooters, so thanks again, guys. Definitely be doing a full 10,000 subscriber video, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna look back on all the best moments of the channel.
Yes.
But thanks again, guys. You are all awesome. I appreciate the support. Woo! Some sketchy Kenda wheelies in. Whoa! Oh man, gonna crash in the 10,000 subscriber video. Oh, you guys are awesome, man. Definitely feels good to reach that mark. You guys know I'm not in it for the numbers. I'm in it for the community. You want to see a wheelie? She goes, huh? And I just give her the shittiest wheelie I've ever done in my life. But you guys know, it's not about the numbers for me. And that's just it, guys. For the small community that we have, we do really well with interaction. I respond to every comment that you guys make, positive, negative, it doesn't matter. I always give you the time of day. I appreciate your time that you spend to, you know, support me and watch my content and enjoy it. And we've built up an amazing family on here, and it's just a really awesome thing that we've created. The channel name itself, Attention Deficit, just came from, you know, being misunderstood and having all these types of interests and bouncing back and forth between things, and I really didn't know what direction I wanted to take the channel. We kind of just created our own lane, and guys, we're doing good. I appreciate it. Here's to the future and whatever it may bring, but I appreciate you guys. I hope you all are having an amazing winter. Christmas is coming up, so I hope you guys are just making the best out of your life and doing what you want to be doing. I think I'm gonna stop here and let some air out of the tires, guys. I think I'm at like 10 psi or something like that, so we're gonna be running like nothing. All right, drop down to probably what, 5 psi. A lot better. I'm probably riding on the rim right now. What's up? How you doing, man?
Good, how are you guys?
Good.
So long.
I know.
He's got the fresh boots on today, though. It's going down.
My dad told me not to get him dirty.
Alright, I think we can make this work. They're gonna look super sketchy. Oh yeah, we're good. I hope I don't ruin the tires though, because I'm probably running like 5 psi. Oh yeah, we're solid. That second gear shift. Oh, I need to change my brake pads. Oh, I just almost ate it. There's a couch here now? What the heck? What's up with that? That's funny. Whoa! Yeah! Oh, I miss riding. We're good, dude. We're good.
Yeah, that you're doing a lot better.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get a little parkour action in. Without my hands? Is that even possible? No, that's sketchy. Hope you can stand on this roof. I hope all this hose is rigid. All you can hear on this video is me breathing. You don't have one? Let me throw it to you, actually. It'd look cool in the video. I'm gonna throw it to Kyler. He can't even feel his hands. I don't know. Alright, I'm going for Kyler. It doesn't even matter. Just make sure it doesn't fall on the concrete. Step a little bit closer. Alright, you ready? Ooh, like a boss. That's baseball pro right there. Alright. Key word. Confidence. I'm so wobbly right now, and I'm not exactly standing on the most solid platform. I'm standing on like hoses and crap. Maybe I should slide down the bucket. Alright, we're gonna try her. Oh, this is sketchy. At least the ground's soft. Once I get over this part, I'm good.
Yeah.
We're gonna just try to do this.
At least the ground's soft.
Yeah. We'll determine that once it happens. I got a hose in between my yin yang. Alright. We're making the descent. My fanny pack's getting caught up. Haha. Whoa.
Maybe.
If I was homeless, I would crawl up underneath there and stay in there.
So would another animal.
Whoa.
That's a good point.
I'm worn out. How's the pants situation?
You have fun? Yeah, pretty dirty.
You gonna have fun washing those.
They'll buff out.
So Alexa's bike is still dead.
Dead.
So we're gonna start her up real quick with a different technique. Are you ready? All right, keep her steady. Let's get you going fast this time. Oh, this is actually working pretty good. So here's another little trick for you guys to do. Don't do it yet. Let's get you going fast. Oh, this is sketchy. All right. And we did it. Oh man, well I guess Alex got lost, so it's just me, Kyler, and Alexis chilling at the spot. I'm not trying to get super muddy, guys, so off-roading's gonna have to wait. But let's get you a good wheelie in here. Who doesn't like a good wheelie? Got that first to second. Oh, I feel locked in. I miss wheeling this bike so bad. Guys, I remember when we were wheeling back behind the grocery store at the secret stunt lot that I found. And I couldn't even wheelie that whole back lot because it was on a slant. Now we can pretty much point this thing in any direction we want to go. We came a long way on the Grom, that's for sure. In all honesty, the Grom wasn't an easy motorcycle to learn how to wheelie on. I'm going to be completely honest. It's super touchy, and I should have lowered my tire pressure when I was learning, so that kind of set me back a little bit, but all right, let's see if we can get this roundabout. Oh no. No! Oh, I want to get it so bad. Oh, you gotta commit when you do that circle. I can do circles with my foot off like all day long, but that's whack. And you probably can't see anything because my arm's in the way. I gotta get those foot on circles.